One useful trick for entering cell values and data into Microsoft Excel that you will definitely want to know is how to use AutoCorrect feature. To get to it, go up to the File tab, choose Options, and go down to the Proofing, and you'll see an option called AutoCorrect Options. It says change how Excel corrects and formats text as you type. If you click this button, it opens a window where you can adjust some really helpful setting. For example, Excel would automatically capitalize the first letter of days, fix common typing mistakes, and much more. But the best part is down here. It says replace dash with dash. Uh, this is where you can create your own shortcuts. You already see some example of common misspellings that Excel automatically fixes. Anyway, now let's say I need to type the name of my YouTube channel. Let's Learn Simplified. Quite often, instead of typing that long name over and over again, I can just create a shortcut. I will type LLS dot LLS and the replace box, and then in the with box I will type let's I'm sorry let's learn simply. Okay, then I will click add, then okay, so okay again. Now when I click on a cell, cell and type LLS and press enter, Excel automatically replaces it with the Let's Learn Simplified. Pretty cool, right? So definitely think about using the autocorrect feature in Microsoft Excel. It can save you a lot of time in typing. Now that I have updated some of this, I want to show you about management, how to move content of cells. We already know that you can copy and paste using Control C, and Control V to paste it, right? But there is another quick and easy way to do the same thing. Just click on a cell. I click there. Then move your mouse to the H, right? The H of the cell. When you see the pointer change to a cross with the arrows on the all sides, click and hold, drag the cell's contents to wherever you want them to go. Ha ha ha. So you can even do with a range of cells, as you know, if you watch my video early, my previous videos, you know what is the range, right? So select the range, go to the edge, click and hold and drag it, A new location and release. Ha ha ha. The, the data will move instantly. And of course, if you want to undo anything, just press Ctrl Z. Yep, buddy. So there you go. Use AutoCorrect to save time and learn how to move data quickly to make your Excel work faster and easier. That's it for this tip. And don't forget, you just learned it from Learn Simplified.